Welcome to Learn Easy English 1, 2, 3. Let's practice. English verbs in action. Listen and repeat. The family paints. The family paints. She runs fast. She runs fast. She walks on the beach. She walks on the beach. He skis in snow. He skis in snow. They laugh together. They laugh together. She jumps high. She jumps high. Can he climb? Can he climb? Tigers swim in water. Tigers swim in water. He can dance. He can dance. He kicks the ball. He kicks the ball. We sing. We sing. Santa eats and drinks. Santa eats and drinks. Great job! Keep practicing English verbs in action. Thank you for learning with Learn Easy English 1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.